Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will solve a very famous problem, and this problem is got appeared in a 2021 round C kickstart problem number 2 alien generator, and this problem is also available in all the coding platform. I can say that in 3 I already found that, like LeetCode, AdCoder and binary search. I will provide all the links of from all the platform into the video description. So let's go through the problem statement here. So this is a problem statement in the Google Kickstart round C. You can pause the video and go through this very big problem statement, and in the end it is just a very straightforward problem. So here is on the LeetCode, it is a consecutive number sum and it is tagged as a hard, and here it is base to sum consecutive numbers to n in binarysearch.com, and here it is in the AdCoder as a staircase sequence. So basically these all are the same problem. So we will solve in our famous coding platform LeetCode. So given a positive integer n, how many base can we write it as a sum of consecutive positive integers? So basically, for example, if 5 is there and then we need to find out how many possible ways we can start the number so that we can sum few consecutive positive integers that sums equals to n. So for example, here we can take 5 itself, so that sums equals to 5, which is equals to 5. So we can have one, another 2 plus 3. So the 2 and 3 is a consecutive sequence, positive consecutive number, and their sums equals to n, which is 5. So for 5 we can have two possible solution. For 9, so for 9 itself, so for any n itself is there, then 4 plus 5 is there, another is 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equals to also 9. So we have three such positive consecutive numbers. So how to solve this problem? So this is a very straightforward mathematical problem. If you have did little basic math in your engineering, then it is just straightforward. So let's understand how it is. So first of all, we can say that this positive number can be any number a, and then we need to start from and take k terms like a plus 1, a plus 2. These are the consecutive terms, k terms. Then if we sum these k terms, so I for like this is a symbolication rating of a sum of these k terms, like sum of a plus I for is equals to n for all I in 0 to k minus 1. So overall it is a k terms. Now if we expand this will become a plus 1, a plus 2 and so on up to a plus k minus 1 equals to n. Now what we can do, we collect all the a's in one side and remaining 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k minus 1 in the second group. So we group them all the like k a's in one place, sum them up, then k minus 1 from 1 plus 2 plus 2 of the sum of first k minus 1 natural terms in the second group. So whole sum should be equals to n. Now this is straightforward, you can say k times a, and this we know as a formula, if there are n terms then the sum of first n natural term is n into n plus 1 by 2, but we have n minus 1 term, so this will become n minus 1 into n by 2. So basically now we have k minus 1 term, so this will become k into k minus 1 by 2. So here is this, so k times a, the sum of the first group, and k into k minus 1 by 2 is the sum of the second group, which is equals to satisfy the condition exactly equals to n. So now we got the equation. Now we have to solve this equation and find out all the values of a for the value by putting integral values of k, because the number of terms can be integral values only. So let's further solve this. Take this part into the right side, and this will become k a is equals to n minus k into k minus 1 by 2. Now so we should have like this value, right side value should be a multiple of k a, then it should also be divisible by k. So we will take modulo. So a equals to n minus k into k minus 1 by 2 a whole modulo k. So now we have this equation, we have to solve this equation for all such values of k such that we will get a as an integral. So we will start keep adding values of k. So let's take an example here for just let's say 5 itself, very small example. Now I can start k value, as k is a number of terms. So k can be 0, 1, 2, 3. So like that. So k is not 0, as we have at least one term, because k is a number of terms. So k is 1, 2, and it can go until we don't know. We will find out that in eventually. So first let's say if I take k is equals to 1, then this part is 0. So this is 5, and 5 modulo 1 is again 5. So a is equals to, first value we got 5. Second, let's check this. For k equals to 2, this will become 2 into 1 by 2, which is 1. So 5 minus, so this is now 5 minus 1. So this is 4, and 4 modulo 2. 4 modulo 2 is also 0. So we have another term where our a is 2. So a starting point is 2. Now let's take k is equals to 3. If we have k is equals to 3, then this will become this part 3 into 2 by 2, which is 3. So 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 3, so which is 2. And now if we take modulo with 3, which is not 0, so hence 3 is not the solution. So like that we can try. Now how long we have to try this, all such values of k? So let's take this equation as we already evaluated early in the previous slide. Now this part should be positive, as we have to find out all the positive integral starting points. So this should be greater than 0. So if we can write this n minus k into k minus 1 by 2 greater than 0, then we will take this part into the right side, then this part n is greater than this part. We can also reverse this condition and send the 2 to n side. So this will become k into k minus 1 less than 2n. So k into k minus 1 is less than 2n. We can also that k into k. So we can approximately say that k square less than 2n. Then we can say that we have to run this values of k from 1 to less than root 2n. So this is the approach. Now you can pause the video and just implement this approach. Two equation, or basically one equation, this equation, the main equation, and this is the iteration we have to do from k is equals to 1 to root n. So let's jump on the coding part. So for coding, it's very sorted. So first of all, we will define a variable count is equals to 0, that we will count all such a's basically. Now for int k is equals to 1 and k is star k. So for square root, I am just writing 2k square over here. It should be less than 2 star n and k plus plus. Now if first we will take n minus the k into k minus 1. So let's wrap it in the proper parenthesis, then we need to divide by 2. So that's wrapped. So this is the sum of the first k minus 1 natural term. Now we need wrap this n minus this term, and finally we need to take modulo with k. If this equals to 0, we need another open parenthesis in this. If this is equals to 0, then we increment our count by 1. So count plus plus, and in the end we just need to return the count. So let's compile this code and see if our code is compiling and the test case is getting passed. So it's running. I don't know why it is taking little extra time for running. Maybe I don't have premium account. So we are getting correct answer for 5. Let's try other test cases and see if it is work, then we can submit this code. So it's going on still, and it is again it's taking a good amount of time. So it's working. Now we can submit this code. So this is the solution, very small solution, and it got accepted. So what is the time complexity of this solution? As you can see clearly, we are looping through it root n times. So the time complexity of this is square root of n. So this is a problem. You can go ahead and try to submit in all the platform. Just one more important thing you have to note here, the constraint is different in different platform. So based on the constraint, you need to just change the data type of your variables. So here in Kickstarter, the constraint is basically g can be 10 raised power 12 for tree set 2. So this is creating integral overflow. So here in this code you just need to change everywhere instead of integral part you just use the long, so that will solve. So here you can see the code which I submitted yesterday. It's like okay, I will post in the GitHub repository that code I did using a while loop. So that's it. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this solution, hit the like button and share in your friend and circle. Thanks for watching.